6 months with the Insta360 X4. Does it live up to the hype, or is it just another cool gadget collecting dust? Let's break it down. The good, the bad, and everything in between. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Sabir and I test gear to see if it's worth your money and time. Today we are talking about the Insta360 X4, the camera I've been using for 6 months to capture everything from epic adventures to everyday moment. So whether you are a vlogger, an action junkie, a cinematographer, or just someone who loves cool tech, this video is for you. The X4 feels premium with a solid waterproof design. Over 6 months I've been using it for hiking, biking, and even in the rain. It's held up really well. The controls are intuitive and the screen is bright enough for most conditions, but there's a catch. More on later. Now let's talk about the video quality. The X4 delivers a stunning 5.7K 360-degree footage. The clarity is insane, especially in well-lit conditions. Features like horizon leveling and flow state stabilization make your shot look professional, even if you are just winging it. But in low light, that's where it struggles a bit. I remember I took it to the top of Kebnekaise, which is the highest mountain in Sweden. This kind of adventure, Insta360 X4 is a gem to create your memories and stories. As we were backpacking and there was limited space, this Insta360 saved our back. I took all my A-roll and even B-roll with this camera and I never felt I need a DSLR ever again. I captured stunning footage all over this trip and I don't regret at all. So, from this trip, it's a clear evidence that you can take it to anywhere where you cannot take a large or heavy setup like the camera that I'm using right now. As carrying a 30,000 milliampere Henry power bank and couple of memory cards for the 5 days, and everything was recorded the whole trip. For travel, action, and sports enthusiasts, this is an absolute right addition to their arsenal. I also used to fake FPV shot to make music video. I can remember when I was working for this Finnish progressive rock band called Erilainen in the Lekavia, I got some unreal shots which may need a whole crew to produce, but I did it by myself alone. This rock band shooting experience with this action cam clearly tells how much capable this can be in your professional filmmaking. Because of its size and ProRes format support, this is an absolute beast in 2025. And you cannot imagine how much you can push its color to its limit. Insta has finally fixed their color signs and you can basically push its color endlessly. It's 8-bit, but when you reframe your files and you save it to H264 to video resolve, this tiny camera start to act like those Arial X or Red Komodo. Hands down, I love to play with the ProRes footage in this camera in the video resolve. And trust me, if you have basic color grading knowledge, you can push the footage out of your limit. The footage that I'm now showing you, they're all shot in 8-bit, 8K 30 FPS, flat profile, auto exposure, auto white balance, sharpness medium, and bitrate highest. If you use these settings, I can tell you will get the best footage out of this camera. Here are some test footage for you.
No,
Battery life is decent, about 80 minutes on a full charge, depending on your settings. Not bad, but if you are shooting all day, you'll definitely need spares. The accessories, like the invisible selfie stick and lens guard, are must-have thing. But fair warning, the add-ons can quickly rack up the cost. I already broke one pair standard lens guard in its first fall, collided with a rock. Nothing happened to the camera body, but one lens guard was cracked. And I bought another one. The premium lens guard quality might be the same as the standard. There will be weird flares and color shifting and stitching problem sometimes if you use these lens guards. So use them wisely. The Insta360 app is where the magic happens. You can reframe your shots, add effects, and export content directly to social media. It's powerful but not perfect. The occasional app crash can be frustrating, especially whenever you are in the middle of editing. I personally never use it, but they have more options than the desktop app. The desktop app is also slow, both in my Mac and Windows, and the latest version has even lesser options to reframe, which is kinda disappointing. I really prefer the desktop reframing in my previous generation X3 app, and I miss it in the newest X4 desktop app. So after 6 months, is the Insta360 X4 worth it? Absolutely. The low light performance and app quirks can be annoying, but for its price and the endless possibilities it offers, it's still one of the best 360 cameras on the market. That's it for my 6-month review of the Insta360 X4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. Got questions or your own experience with the Insta360 X4? You can share it with me in the comment section down below. See you in the next video.